Masters Week, let's make the iconic egg salad sandwich. Well, it's springtime. We got the Masters this weekend. I know you guys are fired up. I am too. At the time of this video airing, I'm actually in Augusta doing a guest chef gig at the Masters for the third year in a row. I'm super excited about it. By the way, I'll be on the course Thursday and Friday, so if you're there, look for me. I feel like I ran into a record number of Meat Church congregation members the past couple years, so I know you're out there, which is why we're doing this video. This time last year, we did the iconic pimento cheese sandwich, which is a $1.50 sandwich. And you'd never think a pimento cheese video would blow up, but it absolutely blew up on the channel. And we thought at the time, well, we got to do the iconic egg salad sandwich. So that's why we're here today. We're going to make that for you guys, and we're going to kick it up. I'm calling this the ultimate egg salad because it's not real traditional, but it is super delicious. Love going to the Masters. As I said, I was there in 2024 following Scotty Scheffler during the par 3 day / practice round. And I looked at my buddy Doug Klein and I said, my money is on Scotty Scheffler. I bought a pin flag. Actually, Doug bought me a pin flag. Thank you, Lawast. And here it is. He won that year. And as you know, if you win the tournament, you can autograph it inside of the United States. And thanks to a good friend of mine, Scotty signed it. I actually just got it back. And I'm like, what timing? It's a sign. Let's put it on the set. So it's here today. I'm also wearing our brand new Fairway to Heaven hat, a super limited edition hat that we just released. We're gonna do a giveaway at the end of this video, so stick around. We've been doing these a lot lately. You guys have been loving it. So we're gonna give away one Fairway to Heaven. This thing's water resistant, it's awesome. It's super custom. Look back here with the azaleas and pimento cheese inside of it. Even says $1.50 pimento cheese on it. So we're giving away more than this. We're gonna have an Ultimate Masters giveaway at the end, so stick around. Not gonna take too long to make egg salad. We'll give that away. But again, I'm really excited about this weekend. You guys all get to hear Jim Nance's awesome voice. This past Thanksgiving, I cooked all the turkeys for the Cowboys game. Cowboys won. To see those guys eating turkey was awesome. But my favorite moment was when I walked into the booth to feed Tony Romo and Jim Nance. I'd never met Jim Nance. And as soon as he started talking to me, I looked at him and I said, I feel like I was just transported to Augusta. So excited about today. Got my domestic beer here. Let's jump into this recipe. So I want to differentiate from other cooking channels and your typical content creators. Tell you guys a little bit about us. Last year, when we made the pimento cheese, one of the things I said in the recipe was, hey, we have pimento cheese recipe on this website forever, but we went and did some testing and came up with an even better one, and that's the one we put out. Well, we did the same thing with egg salad. So I grew up in the South. My granny in Alabama made all kinds of egg salad, but we thought we would go try to find the best recipe, make changes, and go from there. So what I want to show you here was like testing that we've done. And we've got 3 different egg salads, not to spend a lot of time on them, but they all have different textures. Some are grated, some are rough chopped, some have a lot more liquid, some are very traditional, some are not. We came up with our favorite, but then we incorporated elements from the other to develop what I'm gonna call is the ultimate egg salad. What we're making today is not real traditional. When you go to the Masters and you see a sandwich, it looks like traditional egg salad. That's actually not what we're making. We're making something that has a whole lot going on with it. It's loaded with all kinds of bacon that we smoked, onions, dill. It's super good, and I think that you guys will love it. Whether you're eating it like out of a bowl or if you're putting it on a sandwich, and it's gonna be really easy, so let's jump right into it. So let's mix in all our ingredients first, and then we're actually gonna add the eggs at the end. So we're starting off with some Duke's mayonnaise. Recipe is always below. The current week's video is always the banner of meatchurch.com. So if you ever have questions about amounts and things like that, you can find them there. 2 celery stalks, little yellow mustard. We're using green onion. You could also use chives, whatever you can find. I like the bigger pieces of onions myself. Some diced yellow onion. You could also use sweet. Now we're gonna incorporate a direction that I think adds a ton of flavor. Little bit of fresh dill, a little bit of dill pickle juice, and a little sweet relish. So you're getting all that pickle twang in there. We've got 1 package of bacon that we seasoned with the Gospel, our all-purpose barbecue rub, and we smoked it on the Traeger, and then we rough chopped it. a tablespoon of chili garlic sauce, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and you guys know I love the robust flavor of the W sauce. You could salt and pepper to taste, but I always say holy cow or Blanco to taste. I'm gonna mix this up before I add the eggs in. So I'm gonna make this into a sandwich, but pretty funny story. A couple years ago, I walked into the concession area by the clubhouse and I wanted to try all the different sandwiches, and I asked the girl at the register, can I buy and walk out of here with all, I believe, 7 sandwiches? And she says, yeah, I don't know why not. And so I did, took them back to the house I was staying at, and I did a little TikTok/Instagram video tasting them all, got millions of views. So last year I went back and I was at the same place checking out, and the girl looked at me and she said, you're the sandwich guy. I'm like, how do you remember that? And she's like, I looked you up last year. So highly recommend going and trying out all the sandwiches. I love the fact that they're so inexpensive. So it's time to bring in the eggs. So we've got a dozen hard-boiled eggs. So we boiled the eggs, we ice bath them, we rolled them to easily shell them. So here we are. And this is something in the beginning that I mentioned that we tested, different textures of eggs. And so what we found that we liked is an egg that is grated. So that's what we're gonna do with these. Okay, that was easy peasy. So now we're just gonna thoroughly mix this together, and then we are gonna make sandwiches. I actually wish that I was gonna be on the course all weekend, but when your baby girl's birthday is on Saturday of Masters weekend and you don't wanna get a divorce, you get a plane ride back home before the weekend. So there's that. And then after we made, honestly, while we're making these sandwiches, we need to do a giveaway. We need to talk about what we're gonna give you guys and how you're gonna get this. All right, that looks really good. And that was easy. This was super easy to make. My wife makes egg salad all the time, leaves it in the fridge, eats on it during the week. So definitely something that you could mix up, have on hand, ready for the weekend. All right, I've got some white bread here that I cut the crust off of. Not that that's traditional, but that's something that definitely my kids do, so I'm used to doing this. Let's talk about this Masters giveaway. So I'm gonna give you this hat, the Fairway to Heaven, that is sweat resistant and waterproof. So it makes a great golf hat if you are a golf guy or not, barbecuing. I'm also going to give you this Masters hat that I got at the course, still has a tag on it. So this is from Augusta. You can only get Masters merch the week of the tournament on site. So there's that. And then I'm gonna give you an 8-pack of our seasoning, the Ocho. All you have to do is comment the word Masters in this video. The end of the first week of the video being out, so this comes out on Wednesday. So next Tuesday, we will pick a winner and we will pin that winner in the comments to the top of the comments. So for those of you that come from other platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and you're watching this video, I'm not sure why some people enter those words on other platforms, but enter it on YouTube. This is a YouTube only. To win 2 hats and an Ocho, comment Masters, and we will give that away. All right, ready to dig in. You can see, as I mentioned, a whole lot going on with it and a whole lot of delicious. Damn, that is money. So over traditional, you've got this crunch element in it with the bacon and the sweet relish. The dill pickle twang, obviously I'm a huge fan of that. I put in a lot of things that we do. I love, you got the celery in there. The crunchy element, I'm a huge fan of. You pick up the onion in it. It's just, again, way more complex than the traditional egg salad, but I'm a massive fan. I already knew that because we've been testing these in the kitchen and coming up with one that we think we like the most. So if you're looking to make like the uber traditional kind of plain, this isn't it. But I'm telling you, there ain't a single person in your house that's not gonna like that. So definitely put this on your menu. Go back to meatchurch.com or here on YouTube and check out the pimento cheese recipe that we've got. We also made the azalea cocktail within that video. So those are other resources you can use for your Masters watching party this weekend. But again, if you're on the course, hit me up over the next 2 days, Thursday and Friday. I'll be out there looking for you guys. We don't have phones, so we can't take pictures, but I can say what's up and get to meet you guys. So come say hi. Please be sure you like and subscribe. We're gonna come to you with these free how-to, just super easy to make recipes every Wednesday. I really appreciate you guys being here. Enjoy the Masters this weekend. See you guys next time.